Hello everyone, I'm back with another video to help you become professional designers and design logos with ease. In this video, I'll be covering the first step that I follow before designing a logo for any client. And here on your screen, it says it all. Logo kit. This is the first thing that I share with all of my clients to get a better understanding of their request. Let's see what this logo kit comprises of. Pretty simple, right? But it's pretty effective. So this is a simple table that I have created, and this is a one-slide document that I share with all of my clients to get a better understanding of what exactly they want. Sometimes the clients don't even have an idea about what they are looking for, but this simple framework can really help you in developing their mindset and their thoughts so that you both can come on the same page and you can leverage this thought process that you have helped your client to build up using this slide to turn their ideas into reality. Later on, when you submit your ideas, you can touch base on the answers that they have shared for this framework and tell them how you are bringing those ideas to life. So first and foremost, I ask them to write their brand name. We are establishing an identity over here. Next up, I ask them about their target audience. Who are we targeting? Next question, what are your brand values and mission? This one question urges the client to think about their brand values and mission. Maybe they have already thought about it, but writing it briefly, jotting it down can really help them in pulling together all their thoughts. And with that, you can also understand the brand values and the mission for which you are designing an identity. Next question that we need to check is, what are the three things, objects or visuals that relates most to your brand? This is the most important question. For example, you are designing for a sustainability brand. A lot of elements can be used to design that logo, but you have asked three elements, three visuals, objects, or things that relate most to the brand. Now, the answer can really help you in deciding on what elements can you use in designing your logo. This way, you can limit the number of options that you will be creating by targeting those elements that the client feels are most related to their brand. For example, for a sustainability brand, we have a host of things that can relate to them. But your client can choose the top three things that comes to his mind. For example, they can say a leaf, a plug, or the recycle symbol. This can really help you in deciding your next approach. Next question in this framework is the three logos that you like the most, and they need not be your competitors. They can be any brand. Here you are trying to understand the taste of your client. What kind of logos do they like? Is it a simple logo, a minimalistic one? Or is it like a jazzy logo? What kind of colors are they preferring? What font type appeals to them? Is it an elegant one or a playful one? So this can really help you in getting an idea about the taste of your client. Next, it's better to ask the preferred colors, if any. Next up, you can check whether they want a word mark, letter form, monogram, symbol, emblem, or a combination mark. And here it says, see next page for info. And here comes our slide. If you have watched my videos, so I have created a video on these 6 types of logos. And here I'm using those to help the client get a better understanding of the different types of logos we have. Whether it's a word mark, letter form, monogram, symbol, brand mark, pictorial mark, emblem, or combination mark. What is it that they want? And I have also added the examples in here so that they can also see how these kind of logos look like. And basis that, they can make a choice of which one they would like to proceed with. Moving back to our framework, we need to ask them, what do you want this logo to accomplish? This can give you additional information about their objectives, which can really help you in streamlining your approach, getting a better understanding of what you are trying to accomplish with the creation of this logo. Last but not the least, from our end, we should also check 3 to 5 competitors of their brand so that we can check like what are they doing in their brand. And whenever we are creating a new brand, we want it to stand out. So the information about the competitors can really help us in understanding what we need to do and what we should avoid. Last but not the least, for the clients, in case they have any additional notes, they can add it over here. This framework is your guide and your path towards designing brand identity, the logo for your next client. Use this framework, get on the same page with your clients. You can always visit back to this framework during your discussions with the client. When you submit your options, you can also try to include the points that the author have listed in their notes over here. That way, you can also tell them how you are trying to help them achieve what they intended to. Hope you like this video. Feel free to like, share and subscribe. And in the next video, I will show you what responses one can receive for this framework and how we can build on that. So stay tuned. Hasta la vista, Chiro.